Hi! In today's video, we're going to be doing a full white PC build with a budget of $1,200, and the purpose of this build is 1440p gaming, productivity, and everyday use. So, without further ado, let's get started. And as always, a quick reminder that the prices may vary, so refer to the links in the description for price updates. First up, we have the ASRock Z690 Steel Legend motherboard. It features an ATX form factor and supports PCIe 5.0, USB 3.2, and up to 128GB or DDR4 memory, clocked up to 5000 MHz. It also comes with RGB lighting and a range of other features aimed at gamers and enthusiasts, such as enhanced audio and networking capabilities. The Steel Legend line is known for its rugged and stylish designs, and the Z690 model is no exception, and it's one of the best foundations for our full white build. To power our build, we have the Intel Core i5-12600KF. This processor is perfect for gaming and productivity tasks, thanks to its 12 cores and 24 threads. It also has a base clock speed of 3.7 GHz, which can be boosted up to 4.9 GHz for those demanding applications. To keep our CPU cool, we have the Vectru U6 White Dual Tower ARGB, which is a dual tower. ARGB is a high-performance CPU cooler with 2 towers and 6 heat pipes. It can handle pretty much any CPU and has addressable RGB lighting that can be synchronized with other components. It features a white color scheme that complements our white build. For our memory, we have two 8GB sticks of Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro, which is DDR4 clocked at 3600 MHz. This RAM kit not only has a high clock speed but also features a white color and RGB lighting, which will add a nice touch to our build. Moving on to storage, we have the Western Digital Black SN770 1TB. This NVMe SSD provides lightning-fast read and write speeds and is perfect for storing our operating system and frequently used applications. For our graphics card, we have the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 Amp White Edition. This graphics card is powered by the NVIDIA Ampere architecture, featuring 2nd-gen ray tracing and comes with 12GB GDDR6 memory. The card supports PCIe 4.0 and is 8K ready, and ready for up to 4 monitors. It features Ice Storm 2.0 cooling, active fan control, and freeze fan stop technology, ensuring efficient and quiet cooling. The metal backplate provides added protection and durability, and also complements beautifully our white build. To house all of our components, we have the Fractal Design Pop Air ATX mid-tower case. This case has a sleek white design with a tempered glass side panel, and comes pre-equipped with 3 RGB fans. It also has plenty of room for cable management, and supports up to 6 120mm fans. It's one of my favorite cases at the moment, and for just $90, it's a steal. Finally, for our power supply, we have the Thermaltake Tough Power GF1P650W80 Plus Gold. This power supply has a high efficiency rating and provides stable power to our components. And there you have it, the total cost of our full white PC build comes at around $1,206. But keep in mind that the prices change, so you may end up paying more or less on your build, so just refer to the links in the description for an update. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.